In the ancient Sakya kingdom, the annual Ploughing Festival bursts to life. Golden sunlight bathes the vibrant fields as the community gathers. Decorated oxen, guided by their keepers, till the fertile earth, marking the auspicious beginning of the planting season. A spectacle of tradition and hope unfolds. Amidst the joyous commotion, a young prince observes with a tender heart. Siddhartha, just a boy, witnesses the cycle of life, the toil, and the delicate balance of existence. Turning away from the festivities, he seeks solace and reflection beneath the tranquil shade of a solitary rose apple tree. Under the ancient branches, young Siddhartha sits in stillness, his mind drawn inward. He enters a deep state of meditation, a natural inclination towards profound peace. As the afternoon sun casts long shadows across the field, a wondrous event unfolds. The shadow of the rose apple tree remains miraculously fixed, sheltering the meditating prince in its unwavering shade. News of this extraordinary sight reaches King Suddhodana. Witnessing his young son in such profound meditative absorption, untouched by the shifting sun, fills the king with awe. For the second time, the royal father bows before his son, not as a prince, but as one touched by the divine. In this moment of profound reverence, a glimpse of Siddhartha's extraordinary destiny is revealed.